Finally, I got a fire going. It's about time. About like 2 feet from this fire, right there, here, there is water. You would have never know. The only thing that would show me is the moonlight. Otherwise, I would have just fell up in that creek. It's crazy. Crazy. Here we go. Like, I gotta give it some light. There we go. Give it some air. Finally. Give it some air. Right there's the water. Couldn't even tell. But this is what I do. I love this. Come out at middle of the midnight. Come out and start fires. I control them. I'm careful. It's not my first time. Like I said, here's the light. And then there's the water, guys. The water's right there, guys. So, like, if you were just to walk, you would just fall in. There's darkness. Gotta get this fire guy going. A little bit of oxygen. Look at that. Starting to spread it out. Here we go, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Got some light. Steer away the freaking animals. We're good. Oh, okay. Maybe the animals will come. Wait. There we go. Screw that. Thought the animals were gone, but now they know I'm here now. Oh, shoot. There we go. Let it burn. Yes. Finally. Hey, it's a mini fire. It's all wet. So I got the dry wood. It just doesn't want to last forever. You know what I mean? But it's going decent. I found a lot of dry sticks, like even dry branches that were pointing down. They were still dry. Like the water just seeped right through it. Didn't even bother it. And I could use those still. And this right here, oh, you can't see it, but literally above us is like 6, 7 branches that are dead, and I've used a couple of those to make this fire. The fire is still going. I haven't done too much to it. I'm gonna actually flex him over this right here. See what happens. See if it catches. Hopefully it should catch. It's struggling. Come on. Come on. Come on. Watch a fire grow. Here we go. Nope. Maybe. I don't know. It's 50-50. Could go out at any second, or it could just keep burning. Oh, that would suck if it went out. Not helping it at the moment. I just want to actually see what happens. Was there enough dryness? Here we go, baby. Here we go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's almost like it wants to go out, but it's staying on. I don't know. Everything's wet. So if it's a patch of wetness, that's it. Wow, that almost went out. I'll doctor it if it does go out. But right now I'm just like astounded that one little baby flame could stay this long. It doesn't look like it's gonna last much longer. This is crazy. Look at that. There's nothing. There's nothing left. How is that flame still going? If I would have left, I don't know what would have happened with this thing. Would have gone up, would have not gone up. God, like, look at that. Like, it's in there. I guess there's a flame in there, so this whole time, man. So let's just feed it, I guess. Alright, so I'm not gonna lie, there was a flame and I just flicked it out by blowing on it. Look at this, guys. Oh, yeah. I got it back to start. Okay, maybe not. Yes. Good night, everyone. I made my fire. I'm done.